Are you looking for a way to get empowered, inspired, and motivated?
Do you feel ready to step courageously into making conscious changes in your life? Or to develop functional ways to reduce stress and anxiety and deal with uncertainty?
You are here for a reason. Inner Healer personal development programs and well-being retreats are a great way to understand yourself on a deeper level in order to achieve integrated transformation.
We provide simple, effective methods and techniques that you can start applying immediately to everyday life.
The live meetings are an opportunity to connect with powerful people around the world to share, learn, and practice together.
During the live sessions, you will experience the 4 core dimensions of yourself and ways to heal and transform energy using yoga,
Movement,
mindfulness,
breathwork,
self-inquiry,
meditations.
and much more, all with the foundation of love.
You will get exclusive resources and content, including audios, videos, PDFs, and our inner workbook, which gives you the opportunity to self-study on your own schedule for as long as you need.
We aim to support each unique journey of transformation, and there has never been a better time to step into your personal power and ignite the healer that exists within.
Sign up today to secure your place, and we look forward to meeting you.